We're back at it again on the road. Today we got the greenhouse. Just a small little one. It's the first one actually, so he said I was like the guinea pig. Boss man. I'm about an hour and a half away. Traffic's gonna get real bad real soon. Give me enough time to eat my breakfast. Then, yeah, we'll get it unloaded, and I'll see y'all there. Alrighty, we got everything unloaded, tools, cooler, and of course the greenhouse. We're gonna go right up here with it. Nice little slab. I already checked it, it's pretty level. And yeah, let's get this thing unboxed, build us a greenhouse.